Value Pack. Contains 3 sets of the Parissa Hot Wax. Easy to use and hassle-free. Simply heat up the wax, apply a thick layer and wait for it to cool, then zip away. All natural ingredients. Parissa products are made of only natural ingredients. Complete waxing kit. Contains everything you need for waxing at home. Salon Style Wax. Provides professional quality results on stubborn hair. This resin-based wax cleans away with oil. Find freedom with at-home waxing and customize your waxing ritual to your hair removal goals. Discover our entire collection of premium waxes and flaunt your smoothest, healthiest skin yet with Parissa. Parissa Hot Wax is a natural salon-strength hair removal wax that's perfect for gently lifting away short, coarse hair in sensitive skin areas. Warm the wax using the Parissa Wax Warmer or on your stovetop. Apply a thick layer of wax. Let the wax cool, until the surface is no longer tacky to the touch. While keeping skin taut, peel off quickly. Parissa Hot Wax is made from 4 simple ingredients: gum rosin, beeswax, canola oil chamomile. It's the best choice for those concerned about skin sensitivity as it's very gentle. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. Game changer. Got this BC of a friend's recommendation and I am not disappointed. Yes is the only at-home wax I've ever found that actually works on chin hair. It's well worth the money. Make sure you have a candle warmer or something to heat the wax up before you buy the stuff.